So my name is Saujanya. I am an advocate practicing in Telangana High Court. We're a family of lawyers and we've been living in Hyderabad for the longest time. Recently, the High Court is going to shift from Old City to Rajendra Nagar. So immediately the thought came that okay, now we have to buy a home near Rajendra Nagar because it will become very difficult for us to travel from where we are right now to Rajendra Nagar. It's going to be very far. So that motivated us to look for a lot of projects in and around Rajendra Nagar, Shamshabad and that area. And in our very tiring search, we came across Vaishnavi. And once we saw it, we immediately fell in love with the project. The one thing that really stood out was their quality of construction. They were using an exceptional quality of lift, which is something that, at least my in-laws, they're older and I'd want them to use the lift more often. So that was one thing that I was very attracted to. The location is great. It's close to the airport, and now that there's this new airport corridor that is coming in. So, and going forward, there are these good schools like Aga Khan Academy is there. There is a Delhi Public School over there. So all these things really attracted me towards buying a villa there because it made sense. My husband and I went there together once first, and we immediately fell in love with it because exceptionally beautiful. Then I took my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my father, my mother, everyone I took. They equally fell in love because how well ventilated it was, how Vastu compliant it was. And they liked that the community was nice and peaceful and it was not as crowded as, say, living in a city. Particularly being in the law field, I know how builders are being stuck in a lot of legal and financial hurdles. But with Vaishnavi, I think that gave me a lot of confidence that okay, they're going to do it. And in the stage at which they are right now is impeccable. And they've partnered with good banks. So the sales team is great. I mean, they continuously followed up with me. They made me see the villa as many times as I wanted to. If I had like other members of the family who wanted to visit the villa, they were being exceedingly cooperative. If I'd say no, show me this, show me that, because I'm from the legal background, I knew everything about how a project is supposed to begin, from the financials to the taking a permission angle. So I asked them for all those documents and they've been exceedingly cooperative in providing me all those documents. And I've personally gone through all of them. I've discussed it with the sales team. I've had a word with my family about it. So they gave me enough time to think about it and process it before I ventured into getting into an agreement of sale with them. You have a gym, you have a pickleball court, now it's picking up. You have a badminton court, you have yoga space, you have a mini market there, a medical shop, a clinic probably. So if everything is around you, you don't really have to go out of your community. And this will probably bring the work-life balance that we're really looking forward to. If I had to describe Vaishnavi in one word, I'd say it's exceptional. We're not just buying a villa, we're buying our own home.